Our Golden Girls, what an inspiration.
I'm always amazed at the athleticism of these gymnasts. I mean, it's different than a baseball player. A guy can throw a baseball hard, a guy can hit a baseball, but or basketball and football and all that stuff. But these gymnasts are it's just amazing.
Dude,
what
throwing
they can do.
yourself off an apparatus upside down, spinning around, and keeping your bearings to like land is
it's amazing.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
It really is.
Yeah, phenomenal.
So, and I know you were in the band in high school, so you can relate to that. But let me talk about this tonight, Cynthia. The heat advisory that's in effect. We had one today. We have one tomorrow. You didn't see that coming?
Hey, I'll have you know I gave up cheerleading to be in the band.
She gave up
True
cheerleading
story.
to be in the band. Did you give up cheerleading or were you nudged out the door? I would go with the latter. Here we go. Heat advisory into tomorrow. Okay, so probably into Thursday and Friday as well. So you've heard this term around here the last couple of years, the heat dome, okay, that's in place. You know, old people like Chris used to say it was just a big ridge of high pressure. But now we go with heat dome. So what is a heat dome? It's high pressure. It's high pressure, and high pressure is just sinking air on top of any one location. So when you have high pressure and the air sinks, it compresses and it causes the air to heat up. And this sinking air, it also limits cloud development and storm development, because what do you have to have cloud development or storm development? You have to have the opposite. You have to have rising air. The sinking air shuts all of that down. So these factors combined, they act like a dome, and they just trap, look at the dome here. They act like a dome, just trapping the heat at the surface. So we have a big heat dome on top of the Dallas-Fort Worth area and on top of North Texas, which is pretty typical for this time of year. It's not unusual. It's our typical summertime weather pattern. Right now we have clear skies across the area. Here's the heat dome right here. We don't have it out here. That's why we have some cloud cover. That's also why we have a little bit of rain. But then you fast forward to Saturday at 8 o'clock in the morning. I have no rain in my forecast until Saturday. So now through Friday night, we're dry. Saturday morning, 8 o'clock, here comes a cold front. It's a weak cold front, which almost every single cold front in the summertime in Texas is a weak one, and they all fall apart somewhere across North Texas. Finally, you get into September and cold fronts start to plow through the area, and then temperatures start to have a fairly significant drop. That will not be the case with this one. No significant drops with our temps. There's Saturday, 7 p.m., 20% of us see rain on Saturday. Watch the cold front. Look where it is on Sunday. I mean, it doesn't move much. It might move from Plano, Grapevine, maybe down to Cedar Hill by Sunday at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sunday we have 10% coverage of rain, and then it drops a little farther to the south, maybe down around Hillsboro Sunday night at 10 o'clock, and then it starts to fall apart. So any rain that we pick up this weekend, 80 to 90% of us will not see a drop of rain, but the 10 to 20% of us that pick up any rain, it'll be minimal. Maybe up to 1/10 of an inch if you're lucky. Areas to the east and southeast could pick up maybe up to 1/4 of an inch, but that's about it. Temperatures though, triple digits start tomorrow. Today we had a high of 96. The normal high is 97, so we were cooler than normal today, but it's triple digits Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and there's your cool down. I know. But that's it. That's the best I have right now. Sunday, we go to 99. Muggy and 79 tonight. Tomorrow, we'll have some early morning clouds, then sunshine, hot and humid. We hit 100 tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. Check out the first 7. It's hot. 99 on Sunday. There's even cooler weather Monday. But then the heat dome comes back into play. Tuesday, it's triple digits. We stay triple digits Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we cool down just a tad to 99 and 98. 99 and 98 Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, August 13th.